scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Derivative graphs are clue machines, and this one lets you match the original function fast by tracking what f is doing from f prime. The graph of f prime tells you where the original function increases, decreases, or flattens out, because positive derivative means rising, negative derivative means falling, and zero derivative means horizontal tangent. So the correct graph for f must match every sign change in zero from f prime, giving turning points where f prime crosses zero, and matching increasing or decreasing behavior everywhere else. Check the choices, and graph B is the only one consistent with that derivative behavior, so it matches the required shape of f. Well done, option B. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps, because derivative behavior controls the original graph.